Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chicken and broccoli stir fry. You'll find all the ingredients and the method in the description box below. So let me take you through the recipe. First of all, I've taken chicken. I'm going to marinate it with salt, pepper, soy sauce and some oil, and then I'm going to keep it for around 2 hours. Now in a pan, I'm going to add oil, some chopped garlic. I'm going to saute it and then I'm going to add the broccoli. Now I've added salt and pepper to this, and then I'm going to saute it for another minute. After a minute or two, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water, and then I'll cover it and cook it for around 5 minutes. Once the broccoli is soft, I'm going to take it out and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, I've added oil, some chopped garlic. I'll saute it and then add the chicken to it. I will fry this chicken on high flame for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Now I've added all the veggies and I will stir fry this. To this, I'm going to add salt and pepper. Then I'm going to add the broccoli. And to this, I'm going to add the sauce that I prepared, which include chicken stock, oyster sauce, vinegar, soy sauce, honey. You'll find all the ingredients and quantities in the description box below. We will now stir fry this for another few minutes. We'll now add corn flour to this, stir fry for a few more minutes, and then it's ready. In the end, just sprinkle some sesame seeds and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day, and like always, thanks for watching.